Hi guys, welcome to a video. Today we are going to be doing an easy DIY slime tutorial. Let's get to the video. Okay, so what you'll need is some Elmer's glue or PVA glue. I use Elmer's though. Some shaving cream, some lotion, some baking soda, some acrylic paint. You can use food coloring, but I like using acrylic paint. Yeah, you can use any color you want. I'm just using a red color. An airtight container and two things. Like you can use either one, but I'm just using this one because I forgot I had to spit it out. First, you're gonna put as much glue as you want. You don't have to do exact measurements. I think it's a half a cup, and I'm just gonna use the rest of my glue for slime. But you do need contact solution. But I'll go get that when we're ready for the slime to be made. And I'm just using red because for the paint because red is a really nice fall color. But yeah, it's just a really pretty fall color that I like. And it's a color that I had already out, so yeah. But you do again need contact solution because that's gonna be what your slime gets made out of. And just if the glue isn't coming out very fast, just kind of squeeze it and like pound it and hit it against the side. It'll come out a lot easier. You can either use white glue or clear glue. Clear glue you probably want to use food coloring because then you can actually, when you stretch it out, you can actually see the clearness and it's really pretty. But I'm gonna take my mixing tool because you can use anything you want. You can use spatulas, spoons, whatever really. And just scraping it, just try to scrape the glue down. The glue will come off off the side when you start to make your slime, like to activate it. Okay, well now you need to put shaving cream in. So you just shake up your shaving cream and squirt as much as you want in. You can do as much or as little as you want. If you put not very much in, it won't be that fluffy. But if you put a lot in, it'll be super duper fluffy and soft. And I like to put a lot in my slime just so it's super duper soft and fluffy, and I love soft and fluffy stuff. And you just need to shake it. If it doesn't come out very well, just shake it even more. And just put as much shaving foam as you want in. I'm gonna put just a little bit more. And if you want it to be even more fluffy, but we are gonna use lotion, but you would need lotion and you would need foaming hand soap. I don't have any foaming hand soap, so I'm not gonna use it, but there is gonna be a video on how to make super duper extra soft and fluffy slime. But yeah, so I'm just gonna put my shaving creams in. If you just wanna mix your shaving cream and your stuffing, this is like the end of a bottle of shaving cream, so it's not that good. You just mix it in as much as you can. Your slime might dry out, but it's gonna dry out when it's out for really long, but it's not gonna dry out if it's in an airtight container. You can add water in it to make it even more stretchy, but I'm just not gonna add water, but you probably could if you really wanted to. Just mix it up, and it's kind of this pink color because it's got a little red paint in it, but so just mix it up, and it might look like some marshmallow fluff, but it probably will look more marshmallow fluff when you have a full container. So then you take your lotion. I just have this little tiny lotion. You can take whatever scent or whatever kind of lotion you want.
Dude, Wonder is such a jerk.
I know he is. We'll just edit that part out, right?
Wonder will say no.
We'll just edit this part out, right?
Yeah.
Okay, well you take whatever scent and whatever kind of lotion you want. It can be hand or body lotion. This I think is just body, or this is body lotion. And it's in I think it's the lemongrass scent. Yeah, it's lemongrass scent. So you just squirt some in. If you have a pump one, you just put like about 3 pumps in. But just if you have a squirt bottle of it, just put some in, or as much as will come out. So yeah, you can just add as much or as little anything you want. Like you can add as much as little shaving cream, as much as little glue, and as much as little lotion. And you can do any scent of lotion. This one, I think, this one's body lotion with lemongrass scent. And it actually smells pretty good. It's a strange scent because it's like the glue and everything mixed together. So now you have this one. If you're going to use clear glue, I would not recommend doing fluffy slime. It's just gonna turn it white and not clear or anything. So add a couple of drops of your paint in, mix it up until you have the right color, and I'm just gonna mix it up right now. And since it's white, you might need to add more than stuff you might, because the new stuff, you might need to add more than you expected you might need to, because white makes it, well, lighter than it. If you're gonna do like a light yellow or a light pink or light blue or light purple, you probably want to add a darker shade of that color in, but blue might not be a problem because I made a blue slime once and it was pretty perfect. So I'm putting all my ingredients in. I've almost finished. I just need to add some of the other stuff in. Now you just need to take a spoon, a little tiny spoonful of like about this much, just a little tiny spoonful, not very much. Or if you don't have a spoon, you can a pinch of it, and then just, it's your baking soda. So just do that and then just mix it. It might look like it's starting to come together already, but the stuff is not, like if you accidentally put too much in it, it's not gonna actually add. And I'm just gonna add a little more paint because I want to make it a little darker, and probably add some more baking soda because I did not add very much, and it might look like it's starting to come together, but it's, again, as I said, it's not gonna come together until you add your activator in. Your activator, a tablespoon of borax with a cup of hot water or half a cup. It doesn't really matter how much you put in, but that will activate your slime. So then it's actually slime, and we'll be right back. Okay, so now I have my activator. Doesn't matter how slow you take it. Then if you don't add enough at a time, it's gonna take forever to do this. So I'm just adding it in, and as you can see, it's starting to stick to itself, not stick to the bowl as much. It's just gonna be this perfect slime that is just gonna be super soft. So I'm almost done. This is my slime, because it's gonna go into itself really quickly. Just wanna get as much as you can. And once it starts sticking to yourself, you can take it out of the bowl and start playing with it by hand, kneading it, add more in as much as you need, and you're gonna have your slime. So that is a very simple slime recipe that I always use for my slime. But again, as you can use a borax, I used to use borax, but I don't use it anymore because it doesn't help that much. Now you have your perfect slime. So if it's still too sticky, you can add cornstarch if you have any, or you can add more of the activator, but don't add too much again. It's just not gonna help if you add too much.